If you're monetized right now, but you've never done a withdraw from YouTube ever since you got monetized. Yes, I understand there are creators out there that are monetized, but they don't earn from YouTube. This is your video. And also, if you're monetized, but you're not okay with how much you earn from YouTube, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 proven ways that you can use to earn more money from YouTube, that you can use to increase your YouTube revenue. And without talking much, let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben, and this channel makes videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't forget to like this video. Smash that like button. Let's grow together. The first method, and this is about long form videos. Now, once you get monetized on YouTube and you realize that you are not earning money from your long form videos, you should correct the things that I'm gonna mention before I actually proceed. The first thing, always make sure that you upload videos that are 8 minutes longer, because videos that are not 8 minutes longer, for example, videos that are 5 minutes longer, 4 minutes longer, 6 minutes longer, or even 7 minutes longer, you cannot put ads in between those videos. And remember, what makes you as a creator to get paid by YouTube, it is about the sales you make from the ads that YouTube plays on your videos. Now, it literally means that the more ads you show in your long form videos, it is the more money you earn from YouTube. So if you create videos that are not 8 minutes longer, it literally means that you're going to show less ads on your videos. And when you show less ads on your videos, it literally means that you're going to earn low money. And that's the first thing that you should actually note down. If you've been making videos that are less than 8 minutes longer, try to make videos that are 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, or even more than 12 minutes. Because such videos, YouTube allows you to put intermediate ads or to put ads in between those videos. But again, what if you've been putting ads in between your videos, but still you're earning low money? Your CPM and RPM is still low. And the saddest story about it all is that you're not even getting views. How do you actually fix that? Because it is the CPM and RPM that determines whether you're going to earn good money or low money. Let's proceed and I show you how to fix that. First things first. Now, after uploading a new video to your YouTube channel, before you monetize that video, before you put intermediate ads into that video, this is one thing that you should never do while monetizing your videos. Never put an intermediate ad before the 4th minute of your video. If you've been putting intermediate ads before the 4th minute of your video, that's the reason to why you're not actually earning more money from YouTube. And this is why I actually said this, because as always, I do experiments with different channels and I've realized that if you put ads in between your video, before the 4th minute of your video, when a viewer watch your video and that ad pops up, in most cases, some viewers click off your video, like they stop watching your video. And when most of them stop watching your video, that sends a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is going to stop recommending your video because viewers are not watching longer, they're clicking off early. So if you put ads in between your video at the 1st minute or the 2nd minute or the 3rd minute of your video, and most viewers click off early just because the ad feels like annoying to them. Remember, when you play your YouTube video at the 1st minute, even before the video plays, there is an ad that pops up at the beginning of that video. And now, a viewer is just from watching the first ad that pops up even before your video plays. And after 1 minute or 2 minutes of your video playing, another ad pops up. It literally means that that kind of ads are annoying to viewers. And when this happens too much to your videos, you're going to end up with low views because YouTube algorithm recommends videos that viewers watch longer. And remember, ads are making viewers watch your video short because ads are playing in your video 1 minute or 2 minutes after each other. So the first way to fix this is by putting your first intermediate ad at the 4th minute or 5th minute of your video. Don't put your intermediate ad at the 2nd minute, 3rd minute, 1st minute of your video. Give your viewers some space to enjoy your content, to learn something or to get entertained, than just playing a lot of ads 1 minute or 2 minutes after another. By fixing this, viewers are going to watch your videos longer, and when they watch your videos longer, you're going to end up having more views. And remember, when you get more views, you're going to earn more money. But when you put a lot of ads, you're going to end up losing money and losing views and even losing engagement on your entire channel. Method number 2. And this is a huge one. If you already have stable content but you're looking for ways to boost your channel, to get extra views, to increase rotation, and of course, increase revenue, you should look at live streaming format. Many people think that this requires consistently sitting in front of the camera. That's not true. Live streams can simply be an extra content format that YouTube actively pushes in the algorithm. You can take your already recorded videos, compile them in a playlist, and launch a 24/7 stream. This allows your content to work work for you around the clock, increasing overall watch time and helping you secure a place in recommendations. We've talked about 24/7 streaming with Dare Pro before. You can find that video using the link in the description. But right now, it is arguably the simplest and most reliable way to launch automated 24/7 transmissions from your recorded videos. The most crucial advantage is the extremely high streaming stability. This means your viewers won't see buffering or freezing because the service runs on a separate servers with individual streaming IPs. It is super fast and easy setup. It's a YouTube certified and recommended streaming service. Dare Pro has a built-in video converter that automatically optimizes your videos for the recommended YouTube live format. This ensures the best quality and stability. Don't be afraid to experiment. Launch several streams strenuously. Restart them once every 3 to 7 days and give them time to optimize and gain an audience. 1 to 3 months of continuous streaming. And now is the best time to test Dare Pro. Check the link in the description to significantly increase your channel revenue. Number 3, affiliate marketing and brand deals. This is the biggest opportunity for any creator on YouTube to make money from YouTube. Affiliate marketing doesn't need you to actually monetize your channel. Affiliate marketing doesn't need you to have a big audience or anything. Personally, I earned my first $100 from YouTube without monetizing. Yes, I was not monetized and I earned my first $100 from YouTube, and it wasn't from AdSense or YouTube partner program. And how did I actually do that? And it's not only me. A lot of smart creators are earning money from YouTube using affiliate marketing and brand deals, and they are earning a lot of money. For example, personally, in just 8 months, I've earned up to $20,000 using affiliate marketing and brand deals. Yes, that is a huge kind of money if you earn it in less than a year. If you have a small channel right now, no matter how small your audience is or how big your audience is, you can begin affiliate marketing and you can still earn money from your channel. Now, the question is, how do you actually begin it with that kind of audience that you have? This is how you do it, and this is how I did it. The first thing you need to consider is your niche. What is your niche? After understanding your niche, look at different services that are actually offering affiliate marketing. For example, if you do content about beauty, look at companies selling beauty products and help them sell their products. Most of such companies have affiliate programs, and when you join their affiliate programs and sell their products on your channel, they are going to pay you for helping them sell their products. And now, this is the best thing about it. 1, you're not going to run out of content because you're going to always look for companies selling such products and making video about those products and uploading those videos on your channel, meaning you're not going to run out of content. And the second part of it, what you're going to sell on your channel, it is what your audience loves, because you make content about beauty and you're selling beauty products on your channel. It definitely means that your audience is going to love the products that you're going to sell on your channel, and when they love the product, they are going to buy, and when they buy, you end up making money from affiliate marketing. And now, the best part about affiliate marketing is this. Once you begin affiliate marketing on your channel, companies are going to begin looking for you. For example, if your niche is beauty and you begin doing affiliate marketing with beauty products, selling beauty products on your channel, different companies that sell beauty products, they are going to begin looking for you and they want to do brand deals with you. And when it comes to making brand deals, once you begin receiving brand deals, you're going to make more and more money, even beyond AdSense money, because you're going to become an ambassador of different companies and they're going to pay you monthly payments as an ambassador. They're going to also pay you for every ad, for every mention that you put in your video about their products. You're going to get paid, and in that kind of a way, you will earn more and more money. Now, you may ask yourself, depending on your niche, how do you begin affiliate marketing? The first thing, as I said, you need to first understand what is your niche, and once you understand your niche, begin looking for companies that sell products in your niche. If your channel is about gaming, go to websites of companies selling gaming products, companies selling gaming chairs, gaming mouse, gaming monitors, gaming, anything about gaming. Go to such companies and see companies offering affiliate marketing and begin selling those products in your videos. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this video if you're still struggling with getting views on YouTube. If you upload videos on YouTube but your videos don't don't get views, check out this video, because in this video I share a strategy and I share reasons to why your videos are not actually getting views. And this video has helped a lot of creators to get views on YouTube. So check out this video and implement everything I shared in this particular video. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.